Welcome back, everyone. Today I have a juicy and flavorful ribeye steak recipe. So stay tuned and let's get started. Off camera, I gave this a nice pat down with a paper towel to get rid of that excess moisture. This will help to achieve the perfect sear. Skillet is nice and hot, and we'll place the seasoned ribeye steak down. Allow the steak to cook undisturbed for 3 to 4 minutes on each side for a medium well steak. If you prefer a medium to medium rare steak, cook 1 to 2 minutes less. Don't forget to head on down to the description box below for a full list of ingredients and detailed instructions. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Until next time.